Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's solve the problem increasing order search tree. So, given the root of a binary search tree and we have to rearrange the tree in order so that the leftmost node in the tree is now the root of the tree and every node has no left child and only the right child. So, what does it mean? This is our binary search tree. So, as we know, if we do the in order traversal in binary search tree, we will get the values of our tree elements in sorted way. So, we have to arrange the values in a right like increasing order tree in that way where the leftmost value of our in order tree, which is 1, which becomes the root of our new tree, and then every value after that like 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6 will be the right child of our nodes. So, this is how it is given and we have to construct this. So, as the problem says in order, so one of the easiest solution what we can do, we just do in order traversal of this tree and get all the elements in of one of the data structure, like we will pass the list and store all the elements of our tree element in the list. In order traversal of this tree will give us a sorted value all the element. Once we get the value, what we will do, we will construct the tree by using the value from the list. So, we will start from here, we will make this node as a root and then we call root dot right, we will make this node as a root dot right, then we will make another node root dot like this we will keep adding. So, this is our new node root, then the root dot right and the root dot right. So, this is the final answer. So, this is very straightforward. I guess you must have already solve it, like you can easily solve it. Just pause the video and give a try first. So, here is the code. So, this code is doing, first of all we are creating a list reference which we will pass in our in order traversal, so that we will get all the elements of our current tree in sorted order. Then we are calling here in order traversal helper method. So, this in order traversal method basically is straightforward, just check the root, if null then return, otherwise keep calling for the left subtree first, then add the value of that node into the list and then keep calling right subtree from that node and do this. After that we will get the in order like sorted data into the list. Once we got the sorted data into our list, what we will do, by using these 4 lines we are constructing the increasing order tree. How? So, the dummy root, the idea behind the dummy root is basically we do not have to check the null, we just created a dummy root here and then from here we will keep adding the node into the. So, first we created a dummy root just for temporary purpose and we start current node from here and we will check if what is the value. So, if we take that previous example tree, so which will give us in the list 1, 5 and 7. Once we have this element, what we will do, we will iterate 1, we will add the right side, we will create a current pointer is pointing right now dummy root which is this point, then we update the current. So, this line of statement basically combine 2 line, like current dot right is equal to new node from the value v. So, this will be this and then the current is still pointing this and we change the current dot right, then we will shift current from here to current right. So, this is the second line is combined with like current is equal to current dot right. Again we will keep repeating it until we have the values in our list. So, the next will be 5 and then after that next will be 7. So, now this is the in right tree is created, but as you know we created a dummy node this. So, we will skip this node by we just return our main tree node is this. So, we will just return dummy root dot right. So, this is here we are returning. So, this is the solution and now what is the time complexity of this solution? So, the time complexity as you can see in this in order traversal we are just processing all the nodes once. So, which is O of n and the space complexity is also O of n. Why? Because we are storing all the node values in a list. So, that is O of n versus O of n. So, can we do both together like traverse the tree and also create the new tree? Yeah, we can do it in the in order traversal. So, what we will do, so first of all we will call again in order traversal helper method over here and we will keep calling this guy till the left is there. Once we reach the node where the left subtree has no node, this node, what we will do, we first assign like to the dummy node. So we will also create a dummy node as in our like a current node as a global variable. So in this current global variable, we update the current dot write why this node, the last node we reach, whatever node value, and we before assigning we will also change the left pointer to the null. If there anything, we update the node dot left as a null, and then we update current. We assign the current dot write as this node current, and as well as to current as well this node, or we can assign current dot write. We update this current, and then we will call the right subtree. So before this we will call the left subtree, and then after this we call the right subtree, and this we will keep call, and if we reach the null node we will return from there. So this is the approach. Let me explain you more in the implementation. So let's implement this. So for the implementation, first of all we define a global tree node current, and then we create a tree node dummy root again here as well, root, which is new tree node of some value, let's say 0, and then update current with the dummy root. Then we will call the in order for the actual root node of our tree, and in the end we just return the dummy node dummy root dot write. So that's it. Now we will implement the our in order traversal method, which is like private void in order will get the root node tree dot root. Now we will check here if the root is null. If the root is null, we will return the from here, otherwise we will call the in order root dot left first, then we update the root dot left of the leaf node when we reach null, then we will update current is equals to current dot write is equals to the new node root. That's it. Now we will call in order root dot write. So let's try to compile this code first and see if it is working. So there is a null root dot left is equals to null, error not a statement. So this shouldn't be a double assignment, it should be a single. So it is working now and we are getting expected answer. So let's submit this code and it is accepted. So the time complexity and space complexity of this solution, like time complexity is same O of n as we are processing all the nodes, while the space complexity is reduced from O of n to the O of stack, whatever the recursive stack is taking, which is height of the tree. So this is the solution where we are traversing as well as relinking the nodes and constructing the new tree. We can also solve this problem using the iterative approach of solutions. So you can give a try, pause the videos, try to solve this iterative approach. So what we will do, instead of this calling recursive step, this we will do in the same method with the help of actual stack. We will use the stack and then change these steps. So try it out your first year. So here is the code I already created. You can take the reference. So let me explain you what we did. We just created a stack and added root here. It's because in recursion also we use a recursion stack. So here we are using manual stack, and this is dummy node as we use there as well. Now we checked here until the stack is empty, not empty, or the root is not null. We will first keep root. We will check again until this is for the left. When we keep trying to left node going to the left side until the node is not root is not null, and we will keep adding that node into our stack like that. So if this is the tree 1 5 4 3 and here let's say 6. So if this is the tree, so first we will add 5, then 4, then 3 and so on. Once we reach at here, so it is not there, then we will get this node, this is the node, and we will pop it out and create assign to our current and current write this node value from the temp. So that is, and after that we will add the write node if there is any write of this guy. If it is not, then we will go back from here to here and same we will assign to the 4 to the right of. So, new tree will be like 3, 4, 5 and 6. So, this is the iterative solution. So, if you like this solution, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any concern in the comment section.